TradingView Free Plan. You can see 4-hour candles here on the 1-hour chart. You can see both the 1-hour and the 4-hour candles on the 15-minute chart. And when I go even deeper to the 1-minute chart, I can see an extract of the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart, and 5-minute chart. So today I want to show you how to do this for yourself, and you can customize how many candles are shown and the distance between them, and also you can set any higher time frame you want. So if the lowest on their free plan is the 1 minute, then you can only see higher time frames. This is the free plan. I can prove to you. Let me try to go to the second chart and see. See, they cannot allow me to go there. So this is a TradingView free plan. So to do that, it is very simple. I'm going to show you. Here is another account. It is also a TradingView free account. So to get that, just go to your indicators and search for ICT HTF candles. Then you see this indicator by Fadi. That's the exact one we are looking for. So click on it to add it to your indicators. And since the TradingView free plan only allows 2 indicators, make sure you don't have more than 2 indicators here. So now we have it. By default, it adds this. It adds for you the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, and 5-minute. So what you're going to do is to go to its settings, and then we customize what we want to see and the colors in which we want to see it. So show your indicators there, and then you see this indicator, and then go to the settings icon on it. It opens up that. So ignore this, then go to the inputs. Now you will select up to, you can have up to 6 higher time frames. I think here we can change it. Maybe let's see if it works like that. Okay, the maximum is 6 here. Now you can even set the custom daily candles to open at midnight, but if you are not an ICT person, that's okay. You can just use normal time. All right, so the higher time frame one, you choose whichever one you want as long as it is available in the free plan. So right now we cannot select the seconds chart, yet we are on a free plan. So but we can access the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and so on. So I don't want to see the weekly chart, the weekly one on my chart, and I don't want to see the daily one on my chart. I only want to see up to the 4-hour chart. And how many candles do I want to see? I think 10 candles should be really enough data to see from the lower time frame chart, especially when you are scalping. You need to see what is happening on the higher time frame. So now let's go ahead and customize the look. I prefer to use green and white candles, so I select the body, then set it to the color I want. Then the body for the down candles is white for me. Borders, I like to keep them the same as the candle, or in this case a bit lighter. Then the wicks, let's say we want to have red wicks on all the other candles that are plotted by that indicator. So you see we have it. Now if you need higher time frame labels, and by that I mean these ones here that show you which higher time frame is being shown, that's what we are looking at here. So if you want it, you select it. I prefer, since my background is black, let mine be white, then let it be large so that I can easily see it. Now when we select label positions to both, it will label on the top and also label on the bottom, like that, so that when you are down you can see the labels, and when you're up you can see the labels. So these labels will be placed at the top and the lowest. So if the candles are tall, then you see them like that, and if the candles are not tall, then they will be compressed and brought nearer. So I prefer to have both, then align. We can, I prefer to leave it at align or you can just click on follow candles, and you see it will put them exactly on the time frame like this. So if the candles are tall, it displaces them to the top of the candles, and if the candles are short, it puts them there. So I think if you are scalping on the lower time frame, this might be helpful for you. Right, so let's go back to the settings. Then padding from current candles, this is the distance from the current chart. I prefer mine to be at 35. Then spacing between candles, the default is 1, and I think that is fine. Space between the higher time frames, you can make it like 20 to see, you will see they will separate more. See, they are now more separated. If I make it 40, see, they'll be far away from each other. So you'll do that if you need. Okay, I think the highest is 35 allowed. Okay, 20. Highest is 10. Candle width, 1 is the lowest. You can increase it if you need to have bigger candles, like you see. Okay, 1 should be fine. The higher time frame label, large. Then the label position, you have already set that. Okay, label, that is the label of the time. I prefer mine to be like in yellow. You will see, okay, this is the label for the text, and there's a label for the text of the higher time frame. Then there's also a label for the time, remaining time here. So I prefer this to be white, then I prefer this one to be yellow, like that, for easy. It is easily visible that way. So all right, now we have the interval value. Don't want to show that, you try it on your own. Then the fair value gaps, if you want to see the imbalances highlighted, then you can choose the imbalances, and then the time. Then you have trace lines that will draw some lines from the opening price. Let me turn it on so that you see what I'm meaning. Yeah, so like if we are on a certain candle, it will draw trace lines from the chart up to where that candle opened and closed on the first time frame from where you are. So if you are on the 5 minutes, then the 15 minutes will draw the trace lines like that. Yeah, so I think that is it. Then you don't have to want to have trace lines on, and if when you are done, you can click on save. So to find out your own preference, you can go ahead and test them out, but that is it. So if you found the video helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing.